Welcome to this channel. In this video, I will take you through a step-by-step process of how to do Google business verification. Now, Google has introduced business verification system. So if you're advertising and you don't verify, so it will come, they will give you a particular date that when you get to that date and you don't verify, your advert will be paused or it will stop. So in order to avoid that, if you see the notification telling you to verify your business, you have to just come and verify it. Or if you want to do it manually without even any notification telling you to verify, you can come to the left hand side, go to billing, and you see advertiser verification. So if you click on the advertiser verification, it will also bring you to where I am. So I'm just going there direct. So you see here, it is asking me to verify. So when I click on fix, it takes me to the verification area. It will ask me to start the task. So when it asks you to start the task, sometimes they will ask you to enter a few details, but let's just go. I will show you all the documents that you need. So you click on start task, and then you'll be told what you will need for the verification. You need to verify your identity to continue serving ads, your organization's registration document. Accepted documents include certificate of incorporation or registration, extract from the commercial registrar, and all of that. An ID to verify it is really you. So you need a driver's license, passport, national identity card, and residence permit. Any of these can help you verify that it is really you. So you click on I agree, then you click on start verification. So they will ask of your organization's name, and then we proceed to the next one. So the organization's name, make sure that the name of the company you are putting here is exactly what is on the registration document, like the certificate of incorporation or any other document you are using. Make sure the name is matching, and then upload the document here. Then you go to the organization's address, provide your name and the ID. You put your name and then ID, and then enter your address. Make sure that your name that you will put is exactly what is on your ID card. If you indicate all of that, you click on what? Submit. Normally it takes, they will tell you that they can take up to 2 weeks to verify it, but normally from my experience, the last time I did, it took me within 1 day and it was verified. So if you follow all the process and submit it, you'll be able to get your business verified. If you have any problem doing this, you can leave your comments in the comment section. You can follow the Telegram link to contact me for assistance on how to do it well. Thank you once again, and see you in the next video. Bye.